In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your publication theme on Substack for 2025. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your Substack publication or just want to play around with new aesthetics, customizing your theme can give your content a whole new feel. Let's start by navigating to the Substack homepage. This will be your starting point to access all the tools and settings you need for your publication. Once you're there, locate and click on the dashboard drop-down menu. This drop-down is your gateway to managing different aspects of your Substack account. From here, select the Substack publication you want to customize. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple newsletters. Next, you'll want to head over to the settings page. You'll find this option available after you choose your publication. The settings area is where you can control many facets of your Substack, including branding and appearance. Once you've accessed the settings, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on the branding option. This section is critical as it houses all the visual elements you can adjust. Within the branding settings, click on Edit Theme. You'll enter a more detailed page where you can make individual changes to your publication's appearance. The first thing you might notice is the option to select a web background color. This is the foundational color that will set the mood for your whole newsletter, so pick one that aligns with your brand identity. Similarly, you'll need to choose an accent color. This color will highlight particular elements throughout your publication, making it more visually appealing. After you've set your colors, it's time to look at fonts. The heading font is important for making titles and section headers stand out. Choose a font that complements your content while remaining readable and professional. Next, adjust the body font. This ensures your main content is easy to read, enhancing the experience for your subscribers. Don't forget the link style. You can choose between colored links or underlined links to match your new design. Once you've tailored the fonts and link styles to your liking, remember to click Save. It's crucial to save your progress to prevent losing any changes. Now let's shift our attention to the home page settings. Here you can modify the header style to make sure it captures attention right away. Additionally, consider changing the post layout. Whether you prefer a list, grid, or groups, each option offers a different browsing experience. Finally, explore the advanced layouts by toggling the options provided. This will allow you to discover and enable more comprehensive configurations to enhance the uniqueness of your publication. Once every detail is adjusted and you're satisfied with your theme, just click Save Again to finalize your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your Substack publication theme to give your readers an engaging and aesthetically pleasing experience. Enjoy exploring and sharing your newly styled publication.